My dear friends, a very beautiful scene we see today of Bartimaeus, the beggar, and in today's gospel we see two types of people. People who were going with Jesus and this blind person, Bartimaeus. Uh, although these people can see, they have seen Jesus working, we can see two types of blindness here. Although Bartimaeus is physically blind, he has only heard about Jesus and he can still see that only Jesus can heal him, only Jesus can bring his sight back. And the other people, on the other hand, are trying to put him down. They, in a way, you see another kind of blindness there. They could have brought him to Jesus, but it is Jesus who hears his call. Although they put Bartimaeus down, he cries out a lot more, and Jesus hears. My dear friends, in today's gospel, Jesus is teaching us three things. One is perseverance in prayer. Although Jesus knows what our needs are, he wants us to keep on asking him. He wants us to come closer to him, and we see that Bartimaeus, who was blind, he started shouting more, and he saw that his prayers were answered. Secondly, we see Jesus. He wants us to come to him and ask him in prayer. Although he knows that what Bartimaeus needs, but still he asks, "What do you want me to do for you?" And Bartimaeus, we see, my dear friends, ask him, because he knows that Jesus is the only one who will cure him. He asks him to cure himself. And thirdly, my dear friends, in this gospel passage, Jesus teaches us the power of faith. We know that once we have faith, and Jesus shows that effect. He says, "Go your way, your faith has made you well." And this is what he is calling each and every one of us to do today. Many times, my dear friends, we are also caught up in our own situations, and our situations at home, at our workplace, they blind us. They make things blurry for us to see that only Jesus can help us in situations when we can't get out of it. So in a way, as we are reflecting on this gospel passage today, let us ask God to open our eyes of faith in him, to experience him, and because he is calling each and every one of us, and let us respond to him by all the more praying to him, all the more asking his help whenever we are in need of.